Magandang gabi mga ka-wonder and welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. At kahit ngayon kararating ko lang at pagod sa Sports Fest. Well anyway, kailangan natin pag-usapan ito. Dahil ako mismo nagulat mga ka-wonder dahil sa ibinalita ni Ombudsman Boying Remulla. Wonder Vlogcaster. So what's up mga ka-wonder at magandang gabi muli. Pag-usapan natin itong nagulat ako dito sa dismissal case ni Villanueva na mukhang ibinasura ni Ombudsman Boying Remulla. So alamin natin mga ka-wonder kung ano ba yung nangyari. Dahil alam natin na sabi nga ni Boying Remulla walang sasakoy. At napatunayan nga na itong si Joel Villanueva ay nagkasala at dinidismiss ni Carpio Morales na dating Supreme Court Chief Justice. At nitong 2019 ay may bagong balita na hindi naman na-disclose publicly. So tignan natin dito mga ka-wonder. Basahin natin itong ulat na nakalagay dito. Remulla drops bid to enforce Villanueva dismissal after secret reversal. Ibig sabihin, sikreto palang ini-reverse itong kaso ni Remulla. So basahin natin, sabi Manila Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Remulla said Thursday, ngayon po, he would no longer ask the Senate to implement a 2016 dismissal order against Senator Joel Villanueva following its secret reversal. So kung very adamant itong si Justice Carpio Morales nung araw, para in fact parang perpetual disqualification na hindi na pahawakin si Villanueva ng kahit anong public office. Pero sabi rito, Remulla earlier said that he would write to the Senate. Susulat siya to implement Villanueva's dismissal over the alleged misuse of his 2008 Priority Development Assistance Fund or PDAF when he was still a congressman under dito sa SIBAC as SIBAC representative. But Remulla predecessor Samuel Martires told ABS-CBN News that he granted the motion for reconsideration of Villanueva which sought to reverse the dismissal order back in 2017. So nitong 2017, ni-reverse down nitong si Martires. Ito bang si Martires yung tinutukoy nila na pumuprotekta kay Sara at naging protector nila na kaya hindi makasuhan yung mga mga DDS followers o DDS supporters? I was surprised by the decision, sabi ni Remulla. Lumabas lang siya nung sinabi kong may gagawin ang ombudsman tungkol dyan. So, it's a surprise secret decision. Paano nangyari yun? Ang nakakaalam ng pala si Joel at itong Ombudsman Martires. So, nobody was raising that issue before. Villanueva kept quiet through all the years. Hindi niya sinasabi, hindi niya nilalantad. Ang tanong, bakit? Ba't hindi niya sinasabi na, ni-reverse na po yan ni Ombudsman Martires? Bakit hindi niya sinasabi? Yun po ang aalamin dyan. Sigurado, dapat alamin din yan ni Ombudsman Remulla kung bakit yan hindi na-disclose publicly. At he was actually surprised when he found out that Joel Villanueva's dismissal was actually being reversed way back 2019. The Senate previously refused to uphold the 2016 order, saying it alone can impose penalty or remove its member and not the ombudsman. Ito yung sinasabing jurisdiction na walang kapangyarihan o sakop itong ombudsman para i-dismiss o tanggalin o parusahan ang isang membro ng Senado dahil sila daw mismo ang may karapatan. So sabi ni Villanueva no Thursday, meanwhile Villanueva on Thursday presented excerpts from what happened to be 2019 ombudsman decision which dismissed the malversation case against him. Dinismiss itong kaso. Hindi na siya ang dinismiss yung kaso. So in fact, there is no probable cause against Villanueva. The signatures appearing on top of his name were obviously forged. The excerpt read, parang naniniwala nga at sinasabing patunay na finorge nga itong pirma ni Senator Joel Villanueva. The senator also shared screenshots of clearances from the Ombudsman and the Sandigan Bayan, clarifying that he had no pending criminal or administrative cases. So mga ka-wonder, since this is a surprise and silent reversal, so alam natin na may kasong nakapending si Joel Villanueva. But even to Crispin Remulla, to his surprise, na-reverse pala noong 2019. That was still during the Duterte administration. He said his office secured the clearances and in anticipation of the filing of cases against what he called fake news spreaders. So fake news ito tuloy lumabas. Kahit yung mga nagre-report doon tungkol sa kaso niya, na dahil nga ito ay sikreto, hindi na i-publicly announced, nagmukha tuloy fake news spreader itong ibang mga vloggers in I myself. Kaya nga po, pinag-uusapan natin ito dahil ang alam natin, even nga again, si Remulla ay na-surprise na ito pala ay na-reverse. Pero bakit silently? So we already anticipated possible harassment plus fake news, sabi ni Villanueva. So apart from the PDAF misuse allegation during his tenure as CBAC Party List representative, Villanueva is also implicated in anomalous flood control projects, kabilang yung itong 2025. He has described the allegations against as a setup. So, ano pong ibig sabihin nito mga ka-wonder? Ano nangyari? What happened? Ombudsman Remulla said he would no longer ask the Senate to remove Villanueva from office. Kasi nga, kaya sinabi natin kanina, na-reverse itong kanyang pag-misuse ng PDAF funds ay na-reverse at na-forge nga raw yung kanyang pirma. So, yung later requested reconsideration in 2019, the Ombudsman Office reportedly granted it. But the reversal was not publicly flagged and only came to light now. So, wala pong nakakaalam nito. Bakit sikreto? At hindi binubunyag ni Senator Joel all along, kineps silent niya lang or secret ito. So, the Senate had earlier refused to enforce the 2016 dismissal order, saying the Ombudsman had no authority over member of Congress. So ano naman po sinabi ni Chief Justice Antonio Carpio? Sabi niya, Antonio Carpio, retired Supreme Court Associate Justice, sabi niya na ang Ombudsman can recommend dismissal of members of Congress. But how can he recommend dismissal when the Ombudsman already, Martires, had already been dismissed the case? Itong kaso ni Villanueva. That means the Ombudsman can issue a recommendation to remove a lawmaker, but the implementation still involves other institutions, Senate House, and may face procedural constraints. Carpio's comment thus provides a view that support the Ombudsman's power to act at least in recommending even for Congress members. Kanina kasi napanood ko na-interview si SC Justice Antonio Carpio. But then again, how can Remulla? Kasi sabi, iniiwan na lang sa Senado ang desisyon. Kasi ang Ombudsman walang karapatan magtanggal o magdisiplina ng miyembro ng Senado o ng Kongreso. Pero ang Ombudsman can recommend. So how can an Ombudsman recommend kung ang kaso naman pala nitong si Joel Villanueva is na-reverse na at dismissed na? So comment down below mga ka-wonder kung ano sa tingin nyo. Bakit ito naging sikreto, hindi na publicly flagged, at even Remulla himself was surprised. So ayan po ang tatanungan mga ka-wonder. Aabangan pa natin ang iba pang mga balita dito sa ating bansa at labas. So don't forget to share this video mga ka-wonder. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell icon and choose all. Hanggang dito lang tayo mga ka-wonder. And God bless. Wonder Vlogcaster.